This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Downing. Looking for a great place in the Kingston School District? There is much to love about this classic King's Grant home with a twist. A first floor addition adds high ceilings, an open floor plan, and a first floor bedroom. The wide front porch, with its haint blue ceiling, is perfect for relaxing. The lush wooded lot offers privacy and room to add a pool if desired. Quick closing possible, so be settled in time for the holidays. Central location to bases, shopping, dining, and 264. For more information, review the details below or contact Adrienne Downing at 757-499-0124.